Can a small room really feel like a real cinema? In this project, the client already had an 80-inch screen and preferred not to use a projector. He wanted the screen to disappear into the wall. So we built a custom recess, about 20 centimeters deep, to make the screen flush and beautifully integrated. For the audio system, we went with KEF, a brand known for precision and clarity. We installed 9 speakers in total, 3 around the screen, 2 on the side walls, 2 on the back wall, and 2 in the ceiling, using KEF CI4100QL THX and KEF CI200ER models for a powerful cinematic soundstage. A Cube 12B subwoofer adds deep that brings every movie moment to life. All speakers were originally white, but we repainted them black to perfectly match the room's dark aesthetic. The entire system runs through a Denon AVR X3800H, ensuring accurate sound distribution and high-end performance. Since the client didn't want full soundproofing, we added a luxury carpet that helps absorb reflections and improve the overall acoustics. And because the space was limited, we built a custom platform to fit 2 rows of seats. The client personally chose and supplied his own cinema chairs. To complete the atmosphere, we installed a stunning starlight ceiling, giving the room that magical, immersive feel, just like sitting under the stars while watching your favorite movie. The result? A compact room transformed into a true cinema experience. Every detail fine-tuned for sound, comfort, and visual impact. With I Trust systems, even small spaces can deliver big emotions.